Plumber Bankview, Calgary. Bankview, located in southwest Calgary, Alberta, it is a serene residential area with diverse housing infrastructure and modern charming townhouses. My Calgary Plumber stands out as the ultimate choice for plumbing services in Bankview. We offer unmatched expertise, exceptional customer service, and committed to delivering solutions for all your plumbing needs. Some of our services includes emergency plumbing services, whether it's a burst pipe, a clogged drain, or a malfunctioning water heater. Emergency plumbers are available around the clock to tackle these issues promptly. Drain cleaning. We remove blockages and perform thorough drain cleaning to prevent future clogs. Water heater repair and installation. Our expert plumbers repair or replace your water heater to ensure you have a reliable source of hot water. Pipe repair and replacement. We assess the situation and provide solutions ranging from minor repairs to complete pipe replacements. Sewer line services. Our professional plumbers addresses these problems with sewer line repair, cleaning, or replacement. Fixture installation. We install sinks, faucets, toilets, and other fixtures with precision. Maintenance services. Rely on us for services such as inspections, leak detection, and maintenance plans to keep your plumbing system normal. Reach us at 587-707-0606 or visit their website at www.mycalgaryplumber.ca to schedule an appointment or learn more about their services. My Calgary Plumber, your #1 option.